This has been an exciting year at the University of Queensland with the launch of Not If, When, the campaign to create change. The students and staff of the university, and I personally, thank you for your contributions, which have enabled vital research, created new student scholarships, and enabled new teaching and learning programs to be developed.
The Wildlife Emergency Fund allows the clinicians at the Veterinary Medical Centre at the University of Queensland campus at Gatton the ability to provide 24-hour a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year care for injured and sick wildlife. I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much to those generous donors who've already made donations to the Wildlife Emergency Fund. You probably don't even realise what a big difference you have made, not just to the animals that we treat here, but also to the students that we're training.
It's important to recognise that the population of people with Down syndrome in Australia is growing. The implications of that means that we have got to keep researching. This is the only program in the world that has been going for 40 years.
We offer opportunities to develop their literacy skills as well as computer skills.
Many people with Down syndrome around the world will continue to benefit from this work. So we'd like to give a big thank you to you, our donors. Without you, we wouldn't have been able to keep this valuable program going for such a long time.
What we've done here at the School of Dentistry is we've gone into Brisbane Youth Service and set up a mobile dental clinic where they get basic and preventative dental care. The aim of the university, working with community organisations and working with health services, is so that not only are we delivering care to the people who need it, but we're researching and we're evaluating and we're showing better ways to do it. So it's all three of those things working together, the university, the community organisations and the health services, and make sure that everyone has equal access to dental care.
There are countless stories like these which show how philanthropy can help solve some of our greatest challenges. 100% of every gift you give, however big or small, will go to the cause of your choice.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Together, it's not if, but when we can create change.